Glory, glory, glory. A wonderful day indeed. We are having a powerful encounter today on the Tabernacle Hour, which is from DTL World. In fact, this organization is a blessing to our generation. DTL World TV, your life is your message. You follow us on Facebook, DTL World. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, DTL World TV. Okay, today we are having an encounter with one of the powerful ministers from DTL World, right away from Central Region. Yes, today we are having this powerful encounter. It's going to be a blessing to you. In fact, join us with this communication. After that, we're going to have a powerful worship. Yes, today we are having this man in our midst. Ghana for your time, yes, we've met. Yes, in fact, Minister, welcome. Today we are having you in our midst, and we know it's a blessing indeed. So we're gonna ask you some few questions before we go and have this presence of God. Okay. We want to experience the presence indeed. Okay. I want to ask you that who is Minister Eben? Ebenezer the Tabernacle. Who is he?
A servant of God. This end time God is using, and I'm from Palm Junction, Central Region, specifically in Gumo West District. Wow. Yeah, that's actually where I am coming. That's where I was bred and nurtured. Oh yeah. We are fighting pure.
Wow. The blood is infante.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. So this is about Minister Eben, right?
Yeah, please. Yes.
Wow,
please.
That's great. So, Minister, I want to ask you this question: that how many years have you been in ministry, or how many months? You know, it can be a month, it can be just a day, some few weeks. Okay. And we want to ask that how many days or intervals do you have in this ministry?
Yeah, specifically, it's not weeks, not day, not year. Years.
Years.
Yeah, wow. That's for me fancy.
Wow.
Yeah, it started from when I got to know I can play the drums. Wow. So anytime there's a convention in church, they'll pile up the blocks for me to sit on it and play. The instrumental. So it started from the instrumental, the drums, and little with the keyboard. Yeah.
While I'm
learning. Yes, we have seniors in it, so I would say small. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. So you started this ministry. This is infancy, and it's a blessing till then when you came on this earth. Yeah. As the Bible said. Wow, that's great. So this is how you got to it and you started the ministry. Yeah. And I think it has been a blessing indeed. Yeah. Yeah, because your follower who you've been on a lot of FM stations and TV stations. Yeah. Indeed, it's great. It's great. Yeah. So this is all about Minister Eben. Yes. Wow, that's great. Okay, Minister Eben, today we are having this encounter with him. As he is part of us. Just say, okay, I wanted the DBA, you bet my FSA, so what you say. Okay, Minister Eben, the revivalist Theophilus the Tabernacle. You can simply call me Ujana and I respond to you. That's a blessing indeed. Okay, it's all about Jesus. You do say for a powerful worship, a powerful encounter, and a powerful presence of God to be experienced today as you are watching us live. Okay, and I want to remind you of this upcoming program. We are having a powerful upcoming program which is Epiphany, and I want Minister Eben to endorse this program. Minister, when we talk about Epiphany, do you even understand the word Epiphany?
Yeah, man of God, yeah. That program, I don't even want to explain more. Wow. Yeah, because it's going to be powerful encounter. When divinity meets humanity.
Yes.
Yeah, because the worship Papa, Elder Dr. Akosimreku, our Papa, man. He'll be there. So he's going to be there to bless us. So it's going to be powerful encounter. Don't miss it. Wow. Yeah, it's a powerful presence of God. Don't miss it. Wow. Because in worship, when we pray, God will ask angels to bring our prayer. But when we worship truly, He comes Himself.
Worship Himself. Though that worship God must worship Him in truth and in spirit. Yeah. So if you are worshiping Him
in truth, He comes Himself. So the presence that is going to be felt that day, I don't want you to miss it.
My God.
Yeah, I urge my audience that they shouldn't miss the program.
Wow,
it's going to be powerful. I'll be there.
You will be there.
Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there.
In fact, you will be there.
I'll be there.
After this worship, you will be there.
I will be there.
Yes,
yeah,
you will be there.
I will be there. Yeah.
If you are not there, because DT or Yanka say you need baby on the 1st of December program. Let me say we free date to the Maka. On the 1st of December, 3:00 p.m. sharp. Master, we na obey bibia about 12 na. Upon story, I mean, say by 12 one the number pon na mo fi. About 12 na say 1 na dey kufie. Aduane abayya ma okunu obusia for ye ntem. Me pa chopa ye ntem because doctor eba this man
it's going to be powerful.
I don't want to talk. This man is going to be a blessing for us on the 1st of December. Kwara so Pentecost. Ahonom na mpanifoni na eba be hia on the 1st of December. Don't miss out. It's going to be a blessing for you. It's all about Jesus. DTL World. You respond, your life
is your message.
Minister Eben is going to have a powerful encounter. God bless you all.